Go beyond the routine. Drive innovation unseen. Introducing DEEBOT T80 OMNI. Exclusive OZMO roller mopping technology. Performs 16 times mopping pressure intensity. Continuously wash the roller mop during cleaning. Surpass traditional mopping with ease. Always keep your floors shine and pristine. The third generation of zero-tangle anti-tangle technology, featuring the R-Clean anti-tangle side brush. Excellent cleaning efficiency with zero tangling. The second generation of True Edge paired with 3D edge sensor. Naturally edge contact side brush, and adaptive edge mopping with the roller mop. Truly achieve dual edge-to-edge performance. The third generation of Ivy 3D. See everything, clean along everything. Complete coverage for thorough cleaning. The newly upgraded OMNI station with the second generation of temperature-controlled hot water mop washing effectively breaks down various stains. Featuring 45 degrees Celsius hot air drying, auto empty, and optional automatic refill and drain version. All new robotic vacuum cleaner with OZMO roller mopping technology. DEEBOT T80 OMNI. 16 times cleaning force, one roll to shine.